Want free SimpliSafe equipment? Here are 6 legitimate, verifiable methods for 2026. Method 1. Referral credits. Invite friends using your link to earn equipment credits. Tip: share your referral on social and track credit thresholds before redeeming. Method 2. Seasonal promotions and bundles often include discounted or free devices with plans. Tip: sign up for SimpliSafe emails and wait for holiday or clearance bundle deals. Method 3. Verified promo codes and coupons can sometimes stack to reduce equipment cost to zero. Tip: use official partners and reputable coupon sites. Always verify codes before checkout. Method 4. Warranty replacements and trade-in programs. Eligible gear can be replaced at no cost. Tip: contact SimpliSafe support with serial numbers and proof of purchase to request replacements. Method 5. Partner deals. ISPs, credit cards, and retailers sometimes include free gear with signups. Tip: compare partner terms closely. Many promotions require activation or bundled monitoring plans. Method 6. Rewards, cashback, and loyalty points can cover equipment. Check the description link and subscribe for updates.